flowers. Ganda. We are here in Chinese Garden. It's beautiful. 2025. No riding soon. Bawal. Look of the ox. 2025 is a year with talent and creativity. Year of the horse. When you are born in the year of the horse, this is your horoscope. And we're going in the year of the bull. And last is year of the monkey. for watching.